Hello students, today we will be discussing again one more type of equation of line, that is equation of a line passing through two given points. Again, this is one more important derivation. So you will be asked in the exam for 5 marks, derive the equation of a line passing through 2 points both in vector and Cartesian form. Very simple, similar to that you proved for point and parallel to vector. Okay, so let's understand. So consider a coordinate axis x, y, z, and you are supposed to construct a line such that passing through 2 points A, B. So take A and B, that is x1, y1, z1, and x2, y2, z2 be the 2 points through which the line passes. So you want equation of this line. Okay, so you are given two information, that is it passing through 2 points. So as I mentioned earlier, in order to construct general equation of a line, so you have to take one general point on the required line. So let us take a point P, x, y, z on the line L. Now draw the position vectors for all the 3 points. So let vector A be the position vector of point A, vector B be the position vector of point B, and vector R be the position vector of the general point P. Now, once if you know this, everything is fine. Okay, this is your explanation. Better you make screenshot of this, and we will be moving on to the proof. So this is your any point, and A, B, C are the position vectors, and here look at this. Okay, from the figure, vector AP and vector AB, they are on the same line and are on the same direction, you can say vector AP and vector AB. Okay, so this is the directed line from A towards B. So how will you write vector AP and AB are collinear, means AP can be expressed in terms of vector AB. So as I mentioned earlier in the beginning, so vector AP can be written as lambda times vector AB, and write them in terms of position vectors. How will you write AP? AP as OP minus OA, and vector AB can be written as OB minus vector OA, and substitute in terms of vector. OP is what? It is R vector, and OA is vector A. Vector OB is B vector, and vector OA is A. So substitute these, you will get this. R minus A is equal to lambda times vector B minus A, and transfer A this side, you will get vector A is plus lambda times vector B minus A. So this is a very simple derivation, so don't by heart this. So remember how to prove, just it's based on collinearity of vectors. Okay, so this is the vector equation of the given line. Now we will understand what is its Cartesian form. Very simple. Write A, B, C in the write vector A, B and R in the component form and substitute here. So to derive the Cartesian equation, here are the component forms of the three position vectors. Okay, so substitute these in this equation. So let's understand. Okay, so here your Cartesian equation, substitute, this is your R vector, A is this much, lambda times B minus A. So B minus A means what? X2 minus X1 I cap, Y2 minus Y1 J cap, Z2 minus Z1 K cap. So directly I have written. Now you can bring this side. So if you bring this side, X minus X1 I cap, Y minus Y1 J cap, Z minus Z1 K cap, and on the right hand side you can left with this. Now you can equate the coefficients of I, J, K on both sides. So what is the coefficient of I here? X minus X1, and this side it is X2 minus X1. So just equate them, lambda into. Okay, so equate the coefficients of I, J, K, you will get X minus X1 is equal to lambda times X2 minus X1. So lambda is equal to, bring this side, X minus X1 by x2 minus x1. So similarly, equate the coefficients of j cap. So what we will get? Y minus y1 is equal to lambda times y2 minus y1. Okay. So this will get. And similarly, equate the coefficient of k cap. Z minus z1 is equal to this. From all the three equations, you can eliminate lambda. So you will get x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by this, and z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So this is the Cartesian equation of the line passing through 2 points. So remember this formula. Okay, now we have problems on this. Here is an example. Find the vector equation of the line passing through 2 points. So 2 points are given and you are supposed to find its vector equation. So let's see here. Here are the two given points. Let us call them as A and B, and their position vectors are vector A is the position vector of this point A. How will you write? Minus I cap, 0j cap plus 2k cap, and position vector of B is 3i cap, 4j cap, 6k cap. Now we have to find vector B minus A because we require. So vector B minus A you find. So 3 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1i cap, 4 minus 0j cap, and 6 minus 2k cap. So on simplification, that gives you 4i cap, 4j cap, 4k cap. Now write the vector equation of the line joining 2 points. So this is that. The vector equation of the line joining 2 points is vector r is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B minus A. So substitute your vector A as this and B minus A that we found. So this is the required vector equation of the line passing through 2 points. So here is an example for your practice. Find the vector equation of the line passing through 2 points. So as earlier, please try to work on this. Okay. So have a screenshot or pause the video. Work. I will move on to next example. Find the Cartesian equation of the line passing through 2 points. So here you were asked to construct the Cartesian equation. In the previous we had a vector form. So let's see here. Let us call these 2 points as x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. So what is the Cartesian equation of the line passing through 2 points is this general form: x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, and z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So very simple. Substitute these coordinates in this. So what you will get is this: x minus 3 by 4 minus 3, and these are the values of x1 y1 z1. Straight away substitute. With this becomes minus of minus, plus 2 becomes, so you will get y plus 2, and minus 1 minus this becomes plus 2, that minus 1 plus 2. So simplify this. So this is the equation of required line passing through 2 given points. So make a note. So for your practice, I will be giving one more example. So let's have a look. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line that passes through origin and this 5 minus 2 minus 3. So one point is origin, means 0 0 0, and other point is this. Okay, so let's see here. Let us take A as the origin, that is 0 0 0, which is x1 y1 z1, and B as the point this. So general form is this: x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, and z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So here x1 y1 z1 are 0, so straight away you can write 0 0 0 here, and x2 minus x1 you will get only this. Okay, 5 minus 0, minus 2 minus 0, minus 3 minus 0. So you will get x by 5, y by minus 2, z by minus 3. So one thing to be noted, whenever you have in this form x by something, y by something, z by something, then that suggests that line is passing through origin, and the denominators are the direction ratios of that line. So from the given Cartesian form, you could able to tell something about the line. Means what is the point on the line and what are its direction ratios. Okay. So its vector equation is given by this form. Okay. Because this is a point and this is a another point. So here b minus a is what? This much only. So the vector equation is this. So here a is 0 here. So you can just left with only lambda times vector b minus a. So whenever any line passes through origin, then its vector a is 0, you can write. Okay.